Hello, Natalie. This is Jeremy. Just to help you with the process of transitioning to making updates throughout your site yourself, I thought I would do a short video. So this is your site. To access the backend or the administration section, just add a / wp-admin to the end of your website URL. That'll bring you into the administration login screen. Here you can put your details in as sent to you in your admin setup email. Now, if you haven't got those login details, then by all means we can reset the password and resend them. However, the likelihood is that you do have them, because if we go over to the users, we can see that you've been set up as a user already. So search Natalie at clinicalskin.com.au and you'll find your administrator password. So when you log in, you're going to land on the dashboard. Okay, so this training manual, which is the second area on your site, will give you a good overview of general WordPress stuff. So you can see there's a comprehensive list of how to use the editor, how to upload images, etc., etc. Now, you are using the Enfold Child theme, which is an advanced editor. So let's just have a look at one of the pages and we'll be able to take a look at what's going on. So let's choose cosmetic tattooing as an example. The thing that you need to be mindful of is that if you log in and you can't see these boxes, these squares, you may be in the default editor. So if you're in the default editor, you'll see a bunch of either empty content like this and a button that says Advanced Layout Editor, or if you're in text view, you may see code. It just depends on what your local configuration is set up as. Anyway, the point is, if you click on a page and you can't see any information and you do see this button which says Advanced Layout Editor, click it. It'll bring up your layout, and these layouts are super easy to update. All you need to do is click into them. It'll open up an editor like this. There are videos on how to use these editors, which you can go through under the training manual. But basically, the rule of thumb, if you're wanting to add any new elements, is that you place layout elements first. So that determines how your page is laid out. You can see each of these sections has content areas in them, but they're contained within these boxes. So these boxes on the outside here are layout elements, and then we drag and drop content elements into them. So say we want to pull a, let's say we pull a button. Let's say we're pulling a button into this section. We just drag and drop it, and you can see here that that content element is now in that layout element. Obviously, we don't want that. Something to remember is that under templates, you'll have a couple of templates already set up. If you create a new page and put together a layout that you want to keep and use on other pages, then all you got to do is go to templates and then save that layout as a new entry or a new template. Okay, so hopefully this is all nice and clear. I'll sign off there, but basically if you can just log in from the dashboard, select training manual. This will give you some videos on how to update your content from a very broad overview, and then we'll get a little bit more specific once you actually log into the pages and use the advanced editor. If you're lost, if you're completely lost, then write one email with all of the information that you want, and I'll do my best to address it. Okay? Thank you.